Hello and welcome to our channel Keep Growing Motivation. In this video, we're going to talk about the universal law of attraction. Before we move further, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for a daily dose of motivation. So, what is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is a powerful principle that states that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on. This principle is based on the idea that everything in the universe is made up of energy, including our thoughts and emotions. When we focus our thoughts and emotions on something, we send out a vibration that attracts similar vibrations back to us. This means that if we focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we attract positive experiences and outcomes into our lives. On the other hand, if we focus on negative thoughts and emotions, we attract negative experiences and outcomes. The law of attraction is not a new concept. It has been around for centuries and is a central tenet of many spiritual and religious traditions. However, it gained widespread attention in the early 2000s with the release of the book and documentary film The Secret. While the law of attraction may seem like a magical solution to all of life's problems, it's important to understand that it's not a quick fix. Manifesting your dreams and desires requires consistent effort and a willingness to shift your mindset towards positivity and abundance. Overall, the law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you create the life of your dreams. By focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, setting intentions, and taking inspired action towards your goals, you can manifest abundance and prosperity in all areas of your life. We have now understood the law of attraction. It's time to understand how to apply it in our lives. But before we deep dive, please give a like to this video, comment and subscribe the channel. Now, let's talk about how to apply the law of attraction in your life. Here are some steps to get started. Step 1. Get clear on what you want. The first step to manifesting your desires is to get clear on what you want. Be specific and use positive language. Instead of saying "I don't want to be broke," say "I want to have financial abundance." This sends a clear message to the universe and helps you focus on what you truly desire. To help you get clear on your desires, you can create a vision board, write down your goals, or use affirmations. The key is to make sure your desires align with your values and bring you true joy and fulfillment. Step 2. Believe that you can have what you want. Belief is a crucial part of the law of attraction. You must believe that you can have what you want and that you deserve it. This can be challenging if you have doubts or limiting beliefs. For example, you may believe that you're not good enough, smart enough, or deserving enough to have what you want. To overcome these limiting beliefs, you can use positive affirmations, visualization, and gratitude. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reprogram your subconscious mind. Visualization is the act of imagining yourself already having what you want, feeling the emotions and sensations of it. Gratitude is the practice of appreciating what you already have in your life and focusing on the positive aspects of your desires. Step 3. Take inspired action. The law of attraction doesn't mean you can sit on the couch and wait for your dreams to come true. You need to take action towards your goals, but it should be inspired action. This means following your intuition and doing what feels aligned with your desires. Inspired action feels good, effortless, and enjoyable. It's not about forcing yourself to do something you don't want to do. If you're not sure what inspired action looks like for you, try meditating, journaling, or asking for guidance from the universe. Step 4. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for raising your vibration and attracting more of what you want. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your attention away from lack and scarcity and towards abundance and joy. To practice gratitude, you can create a gratitude journal, write thank you notes, or simply take a few moments each day to appreciate the good things in your life. The more you focus on gratitude, the more abundance you'll attract into your life. In conclusion, the law of attraction is a powerful tool for transforming your life. By getting clear on your desires, believing in yourself, taking inspired action, and practicing gratitude, you can manifest your dreams and live a life of joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to motivate us to bring more such videos. and we'll see you in the next video. Be happy and kind, smile.